When your printer and copier stop working, you stop working. That's why you hire us to fix all your printer and copier needs. Whatever the problem may be, we can fix it. We are the leading nationwide on-site service provider at affordable price on all makes and models, with quick turnaround time. So, to avoid downtime, contact us for ad hoc repairs, plotter repairs, document scanner repairs, service contracts, managed print services, install and setup, network installation, scan to email or folder, relocation and disposal services, inks and toners. Whatever your requirements, we can fix it. Call Euroland IT Services on 0800 088 6401 or email us at services@euroland-computers.co.uk or visit our website at www.eurolanditservices.co.uk.